Dogelon Mars cost projections range between $0 and $0. 2030 market investigators, with the exception of Elon, might reach 0.2025. For 2023, the bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation is $0. Dogelon's presentation on Mars. Dogelon Mars is one of a few Doge-themed cryptocurrency tokens that became available last year in 2021. The creators of cryptos portrayed it as a fair general money for people and an interplanetary currency used by space colonists. Dogelon Mars is not just a digital currency, but also a character in a comic book that is available for purchasing non-fungible tokens. Despite the fact that this digital currency has a large and active community, you can get them using Ethereum. There are several reasons to be cautious of it. This cryptographic money guide will teach you everything you need to know about Dogelon Mars and its highlights. In any case, our primary spotlight will be on the Dogelon Mars cost prediction from 2022 to 2030. What exactly is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon is a blockchain-based biological system that is used to build and uphold. It is used for exchanging goods, making payments, and rewarding donors in the space project. Dogelon Mars was launched on April 23, 2021, however there is no information available about the symbolic's creator. It also lacks a white paper outlining its central purpose and targets. Nothing distinguishes Dogelon Mars from other crypto tokens in terms of functionality. You can buy, sell, and transmit it to crypto wallets, but this is true for nearly any advanced cash. In any event, the Dogelon Mars engineers performed a couple of novel things, one of which was that the Elon Group did not do a pre-sale or keep tokens themselves because they needed to earn a decent profit. 3. The engineers recreated Shiba and used exposure stunt by sending half of those crypto tokens to Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin. It's called Elon and it's named after Elon Musk. He is an ally and financial backer. In Dogecoin it has great tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars has been documented on large decentralized exchanges with several symbolic matches. Polynix provides the Elonist in such deals. A record can be opened using a name or an email address. The Dogelon Mars cryptographic money has traveled throughout the web via virtual entertainment and gained media attention. Individuals began placing resources into the token in October, when the cost of Dogelon Mars Elon increased numerous times and provided a significant return. The organization subsequently rose to the 150th position in terms of market value, despite the fact that there was no token. Brazil, because it is a fair general digital currency. After sending half of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, the remaining portion of the tokens are secured. The Uniswap liquidity pool is Elon and F matches, which will remain for eternity. They likewise put 40 F in the liquidity pool worth around $100,000. Then Dogelon Blemishes Group consumed the liquidity supplier tokens they got, keeping them from withdrawing, or gabbing engineers suck up the value of their virtual wealth. Withdraw as much as they can, then abandon the assignment by consuming the liquidity supplier token. The Dogelon Mars pioneers cannot do so since they used the tokens they received for keeping assets in the assignment. Perhaps this is why Dogelon Mars exists as a project aimed at repairing the damage done by digital currency swindlers. The makers of this specific canine coin are obscure, just like the makers of its more visible and laid-out cousin, which is a genuinely normal event for image coins, and financial backers should in all seriousness practice caution while dealing with obscure coins to try not to succumb to noxious practices. For example, matte pulls and leave tricks. Yellowon has been available for a long time, making the chances of the coin being a trick moderately low. If you're thinking about where to buy Dogelon Mars, the top digital currency exchanges for exchanging Dogelon Mars stock right now are OxMex Coin, TigerQcoin, and DigiFinix. Dogelon Mars is now worth $0. Elon is currently up 2% with a trading volume of $3,191,306. Dogelon Mars is currently ranked 182 out of all digital currencies, having a market capitalization of $142,372,508 USD. We can decide cost designs for Dogelon Mars to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going by fusing the overall strength record moving weighted normal Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the outline above. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Dogelon Mars Market information and other information is updated in real time on our website, allowing us to provide dynamic cost projections based on current market behavior. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. Dogelon Mars is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Elon cost forecast for 2023 anticipates a vital expansion in the year's last portion, potentially reaching $0. Similarly, other digital currencies, the ascension will be consistent, although no significant reductions are expected, averaging $0. The cost is very high, but considering the predicted concerted efforts and progressions, it is realistic sooner rather than later. Elon is said to have a starting net worth of $0. Every 2024, Dogelon Mars Value Expectation. Dogelon Mars. Elon's cost projection has a lot of room for expansion because of the projected declarations of numerous new organizations and drives. We anticipate that Elon's cost will soon outperform $0. Regardless, we should wait to see if the Elon's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone before making any bullish predictions. Wagers that take into account market volatility. Elon will swap at a base cost of $0. A typical exchange rate of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. If the vertical pattern continues until 2025, it may reach $0. Elon may gain if the market experiences a decay. Elon is intended to trade at a normal cost of $0, a low of $0 if the goal is not accomplished. 2025 expected value of Dogelon Mars in 2026. Assuming Dogelon Mars effectively supports according to our forecasts, Elon will turn green in 2026, which is consistent with market sentiment among digital currency enthusiasts. The Elon is expected to surpass its previous peak in 2026. In 2026, virtual money will be worth $0 and have a basic cost of $0. A standard cost of $0. After a broad deciding and specialized investigation, we estimate the Elon cost to be expected to cross a normal value level of $0 in 2027. 2027 with a starting cost of $0 before the end of the year. Elon also has a maximum value of $0. On Mars, Dogelon Value Anticipation 2028 because it represents future organizations that are expected to occur by 2028. We anticipate that a bullish trend will continue to carry the average cost to about $0. If Elon figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0. Failure to collect the assistance Elon requires by 2028 may result in a loss of zero money. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2029. While Yellow N is attempting interoperability between companies to accelerate communication, the bullish trend from the previous year is expected to continue, thus the base exchange cost has been set at $0 with a yearly cost similar to $0.